Hello and welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. Tonight we're going to be having Shipwreck Casserole. You will need 2 medium onions, 2 medium potatoes, I have 4 small, 1 pound of ground beef, a half a cup of white rice, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrots, 1 can of condensed tomato soup, and paprika. First, you butter a casserole dish. Then you slice up your onions. Then you'll layer your onions in the casserole dish. Then you thinly slice your potatoes. I'm using a mandolin. Next, you'll layer the potatoes on top of the onions. Then spread the ground beef over top of your potatoes. Then sprinkle a layer of rice. Here you sprinkle salt, pepper, and paprika. I forgot to do this to each layer, so each layer gets salt, paprika, and pepper. Next, I cut up the celery, but I would cut it up a lot smaller than this. Then just add them to the casserole. Next, I'll add the carrots. This is some of our canned carrots. Then I'm adding salt, pepper, and paprika. Then you'll add your soups and then equal parts of water, just a can of water. I forgot to mention I'm doubling this recipe. The recipe will be down in the description. Then mix that all up. I needed a bigger bowl. That's better. Then pour that over top of your casserole. Then add your salt, pepper, and paprika. You're supposed to cover this, but I forgot. You bake it at 350 for 2 hours. And there you have it, Shipwreck Casserole. I think the next time we make this, I'm going to either leave the celery out or mince up the celery. But this was really good. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.